painit na po ng painit ang mga eksena ng Pahiramdang Sandali.
Ako sa umpisa pa lang.
Kaya nga po, ano po ang dapat naming abangan sa character po ninyo?
Sa character ko, ngayon magtatagpo na kami ni Janice. Siyempre, medyo magkakaroon ng gulo, mapapahamak ang anak ko bilang ina. Si Thea, ever since from day one, in-establish na very protective siya kay Alex, paborito niya. So, tutulungan niyang maayos ang gulong napasukan niya. Kahit kalabanin niya ang lahat.
As a mother po, protective din po ba kayo sa mga anak niyo like po si Gab?
Very. Oo. Oo. Like what I always say nga hindi na bali ako. Huwag lang kantingin yung mga anak sa buhay, lalo na mga anak.
Gab is doing great sa Team 10.
Oh, yeah.
Binibigyan niyo po
I'm
ba
so
siya
proud
ng
of him. Pointers?
pointers?
In terms of being a professional actor, yes. Pero yung sa acting niya, I don't really.
It's in the genes.
Oo kasi andun na I saw it even before nung ginawa namin yung, may ginawa kaming special show. Tapos parang trinay lang siya ng tatay niya kasi si Christopher nag-direct. And when I saw him, we both saw na meron. Sabi ko, ito ang pwede, ito ang mga artista talaga. And he had this passion ever since when he was in high school. He kept telling, when he was little, when he was very young, he used to say to his dad na, I want to be like you, I'm going to be an actor like you. Pero, on his own, he decided na, I want to finish college first. Which was good.
Napakalaki niyo pala sa mga anak ninyo.
Oo, sobra. Blessed na blessed ako. They never given me any major problems. Nakikinig sila sa amin, mga masunurin, very behaved. At saka hindi sila yung sanay sa barka, yung mag-aalis ng bahay. They're almost always home all the time kung walang work or appointment.
Yung character po ni Sir Christopher, mamamatay dito
Si
sa opo. Dahil nga po kailangan ng tanggalin dahil sa kanyang political
Well, actually, in the story they had to already. But they could have extended it if they wanted to. Kasi pa naman
March pa naman
hanggang
po.
March 28 pa lang naman ang bawal But then, I think they had to kill the character kasi nga, ganun ang takbo ng storya. So, okay lang naman sa kanya.
So, at the moment po ba, nagpre-prepare na po ba si Sir Christopher?
Like this February, he'll be staying more often sa Batangas than in Manila. So, he'll be staying in our house in Batangas. Mag-iikot-ikot.
Kayo po, ano pong magiging participation ninyo sa campaign?
Sa campaign? Well, like always, hindi naman ako mag-full time kampanya sa kanya. But I help him with yung mga motorcades. Like sa motorcade with family, motorcade with celebrity friends.
True.
Yun, mga ganun. Kaming dalawa. Sometimes, when I have more time, I stay with him. Tapos, minsan kasi, ang daming kailangang puntahan. Hindi ba isa lang ang katawan niya, pwede ka niyang hatiin. So, the places that he can go to, ako nagre-represent sa kanya.
Do you give him advices kung ito na lang po, yung pagtakbo po? Did he consulted you?
He did.
And
He always asks for my opinion. Tsaka nagpapaalam naman siya. Pinapaalam niya sa akin. But of course, we all know na papaalam sa'yo, pero alam mo,
nagsasabi lang.
gusto niya. So, okay lang naman sa akin. Kasi, very passionate siya about it. Yung 3 years niya as bukal, marami na rin siya nagawa. Nakapasa na siya ng E-code for the first E-code in the whole of Batangas. Which is very proud of. Gagawin nga niyang book Oo, yan, E-code.
Wala naman po kayong reservation nung sinabi niya Kasi nga po,
I'm
di ba?
worried.
Oh, yun nga po.
Especially when he told me that he's going to run for a higher office, medyo, of course, it's going to be a little different, mas magiging personalan yan,
Yes.
ganon.
Maraming tataas ang
And
kilay.
you know how it
yes.
is in politics, you don't know who your real friends are, until you're there. Andiyan na, yung paglabanan na.
So, ready na po kayo.
But kampante ko in such a way na I know he's surrounded by
Good
his
people.
good people na who will protect him. And isa ko doon.
Siyempre, number 1 supporter.
Oo naman. But I always remind him na, sabihin ko sa kanya, just remember na, not our will, but His will be done. Always, sabi ko, tayo, bugbog tayo sa prayers. We ask God always for guidance. Kung talaga bang gusto niya, jump ka. But I know in your heart, I know your intentions. Alam ko, ang daming mong gustong gawin for his district. Kasi when we go around the district too, tinuturo niya sa akin, sinasabi niya talaga sa akin yung mga plano niyang gawin. Yeah.
So, may plano na po ba siyang gawin para sa Valentine's Day? Would you know kung ano po ang...
Wala pa eh. So,
Mga plans.
I guess it's a surprise. I think the group, yung Legends, our group, they're planning to have a get-together para magkakasama kami for Valentine's. I don't know if that's going to push through, pero
Pero sweet naman po siya as a husband.
always.
Ano po yung pinaka-sweet na ginawa niya na kahit hindi po Valentine's Day, yung na-surpresa kayo?
May mga surprise gifts siya lagi sa akin. Gano'n. Yun, there's not a day that he doesn't tell me that he loves me. Tapos, minsan pagka masyado akong natututok sa mga Twitter, Instagram, at saka Facebook, paparinig yan. Mabuti pa yung laptop mo, tsaka yung iPad mo, napipindot-pindot mo. Yung he feels that when he's home, give your time to me. I realize na, oo nga naman. So, ang nangyayari, ginawa ko, pag wala siya, doon ako nag-ano. But when he's home, binibitawan ko lahat.
Message na po kay Sir Christopher sa Valentine's Day as well as yung sa kanyang nalalapit na pagtakbo. Message po natin. Okay.
Happy Valentine's Day. Alam mo naman kung gaano kita kamahal. Though I tell you every day that I do love you, alam mo kung gaano kita kamahal, alam mo mga pinagdaanan natin, and alam ko ang pagpapahalaga mo, pagmamahal mo sa akin at sa mga bata, na kami ang lagi mong priority. At nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos na napaka-bait mo at mapagmahal na asawa at lalo higit sa lahat, Ama. And nagpapasalamat ako sa iyo at yung mga naibibigay mo, you're such a good provider for all of us. And I always pray for you. And sa pagtakbo mo sa Congress, I'll be praying for you every day. I do pray for you every day. We pray together every day. Diba? And God willing, I would like you to win, yes. Because I know na malinis ang intention mo at marami kang gustong i-prove at marami kang gustong gawin para sa distrito mo. And I pray to God na pagbigyan ka na this chance to do the things you want to do for your district. God bless you always. I love you. Happy Valentine's sa lahat ng mga kapuso, lalong-lalo na higit sa lahat sa mga nanonood ng Pahiram ng Sandali. Yung walang humpay na pag-tweet nyo, every time pinapalabas yung PNS, yung mga magagandang comments nyo. Maraming salamat at abangan nyo, mas gaganda pa ho ang PNS.